I literally started my own brand selling ergonomic desk accessories, which earns me $6,000 a month using a workflow built by a new agentic desktop app called AxioWork. I decided to launch an ergonomic desk accessory brand, but I had no supply connections, no clue about pricing, and zero dropshipping experience. Most AI business tools are just thinkers that give you advice, but this is a specialized team of autonomous agents that executes real-world business operations 24/7, so you can save time and actually earn money. Most AI business tools are built for general productivity. They help you write emails, summarize documents, maybe brainstorm ideas. AxioWork is doing something completely different. It's powered directly by Alibaba.com, which means it's drawing on 26 years of real trade data, over 1 billion products, and 50 million business profiles worldwide. That's not a chatbot. That's a procurement infrastructure. It's already been covered by Forbes, Fortune, and Yahoo Finance, and once you see it running, you'll understand why. Now, the first thing you want to do is get the Sourcing Expert plugin connected, and this is genuinely one of the smoothest integrations I've come across. So you go down here, click the Sourcing Expert. It's initializing the resources. It's authorizing accounts, and it's going to apply to agents, right? Perfect. Now, you're not setting up an API key or filling in credentials manually. It redirects you straight to Alibaba.com. You log in with your existing account, and it authorizes a connection instantly. Now, one connects successfully message, and you're done. The whole thing takes about 30 seconds, and from this point, your Axio workspace has full access to the Alibaba supply network. Now, I went into this with zero dropshipping experience, so the first thing I needed was a way to cut through the noise on supplier research, and this is where AxioWork starts to earn its reputation. You're not browsing Alibaba manually or cross-referencing spreadsheets. You just tell the agent what you need, and it handles the filtering for you. Now, what comes back isn't a list of links. It's a structured dashboard showing supplier ratings, reorder rates, minimum order quantities, and exact pricing. Everything you'd actually need to make a decision, already organized. And you can see the exact MOQs, the sample cost, and then obviously it summarizes the key updates. You know, it basically gives you everything that you need to see. So here you can select your products, and you can see it's added to the AI at the bottom. You can select that one as well. Select the third. You know, you can basically put as many selections in as you want. So we've got Fuzhou, we've got Kaidong, we've got Dongguan, we've got Hefei, and we've got Henan. So we've got 5 different ones that we can play around with here. Now, this is the part that genuinely surprised me. Most tools stop at research. They, surface options and leave the rest to you. AxioWork goes further, right? You select the suppliers you want to pursue, give the agent the instruction, and it goes and contacts all of them simultaneously on Alibaba's backend, asking about dropshipping terms, pricing, logistics, and negotiating on your behalf. What you end up with is a tailored comparison across every inquiry, so instead of managing 5 separate conversations yourself, you're just looking at a final breakdown and picking the winner. So you can see the inquiry message, the user instructions. It's got the requirement list, the AI auto chat status, and obviously you can review the draft above, right? So if everything looks good, you just confirm and send. And if you're happy, you just click confirm. If you want to change things, you just click edit. But we are going to click confirm because we are happy with this for this video. So we've jumped back to Alibaba.com, right? And we are going to head over to our user. We're going to go to our messages, and you can see that they've been sent. So it's linked up perfectly, right? And it's been sent out, and you can see the message that's gone through, right? Super happy with that. And you can see people have come back. So obviously, heading over to Tina as well, you can see that it's contacted her too. So the inquiry has gone out again. It's, just brilliant, and it's done it for the other 3 as well. Now, if we head back to Axio, right, you can see that, it's giving us an update. The sourcing expert says, here's an update on the progress or inquiry based on the latest responses from the suppliers. And it basically shows you, right? So you can see the responses exactly. It works clearly with you to help you get the best out of this. So you've got the executive summary and recommendation. So, for an ergonomic desk accessory brand launching with an initial test order, and then it goes on to say a bit more, mouse pads, wrist pads, wrist rests, with direct US delivery. The top recommendation is Fusion. And it says obviously with the other one as well, and primary high-volume manufacturing alternative. It just breaks it all down for you. But obviously, if you're looking for something more general, it says primary recommendation, best overall fit. Obviously, you've got the alternatives, but you'd go with the best one anyway. And then it gives you a full supplier breakdown. It gives you a deep dive into sourcing, your strategic next steps. It just breaks it all down for you. So simple, and it's such a good use of AI technology. The future of global sourcing isn't manual research and back-and-forth emails. It's this: one agent, one platform backed by the world's largest trade network. The link is in the description. Stop wasting time doing the manual heavy lifting yourself. Download AxioWork for desktop right now using the tracking link in my description and launch your first autonomous sourcing team today.